Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a simple and a quick makeup video, and if you're interested in watching more, please subscribe to my channel. First, I'm going to take a Sugar's Ace of Face foundation stick and I'm applying it on my face and blending using a foundation brush. Keep blending to get a seamless finish. In order to set this foundation, I'm going to use Chambers compact powder and I'm applying it using a powder brush. This way your makeup stays for long. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows using Miss Clair's eyebrow powder and I'm going to blend it using the spoolie that is given at the end of the brush. Repeat the same on the other side. I'm taking a Wet n Wild blush and applying it on my cheeks. Now I'm taking Makeup Revolution palette to do my eyeshadows. And now finally doing my kajal using Maybelline Colossal and then finishing it off with my Rimmel lipstick. And yeah, this is the finished look and you can have a close-up look at what I have done. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.